Specialty Seal SGX Stain Guard X-treme is an invisible, natural look penetrating sealer that can be used to protect and seal any commercial or high traffic area. It protects surfaces against stains such as grease and oil, against the damaging effects of water intrusion, acid rain, de-icing chemicals, freeze-thaw exposure, airborne dirt, and smog, all while making the surface easier to clean. We'll follow our easy 4-step process to get this project sealed. Step 1. Clean. Wait 28 days after installing polymeric sand before sealing. Thoroughly sweep surface of joint sand or loose material. In this case, we just used a leaf blower to blow the surface clean. Spot clean if needed with one of the SRW Specialty Clean products, then prepare surface with an SRW Products General Purpose Cleaner. Step 2. Climate. After cleaning, wait at least 24 hours before sealing. Surface and joints must be completely dry. Recommended application temperatures are 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, from installation through the cure process. Do not apply if inclement weather is forecasted within 24 hours. Step 3. Apply. Stir thoroughly. Apply with an SRW Products approved slit foam roller and sprayer. For best results, spray, then back roll. This prevents an uneven finish. A 2-person application is recommended. Start at the highest project elevation. Do not allow sealer to pool on surface or in joints. Repeat if desired. Step 4. Cure. Allow sealed area to dry and cure 24 hours. Protect area from water and rain until dry. Dry tack-free, 25 minutes. Foot traffic, 24 hours. Vehicle traffic, 72 hours. To learn more about this product, visit our website, srwproducts.com.